Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see Java string program, which is find second largest word from the given string. So here string is given. Based on this string, we need to find the second largest word. So how we can do this? We are going to develop this program with the Java 8 stream API. So for that, I will stream over this string object. So for that, what we can do, arrays.stream. We will use string dot split. We will split this by the word. So we will use here word, and now we will sort this based on the words. So dot sorted method is there, dot sorted. So in this method, we will pass our word. So A is the first word and B is the second word. So based on this, we will use here lambda expression. Here B dot length minus A dot length. So what it will give us? It will give us the longest word in the given string. We have split this, and based on this line, we will get the longest word in the string. So here what we will do? So first we got the longest word. So for that we will skip the first word. Skip first is the method to skip first word. Then we will use find first. So now second largest is the we will get with the find first, because first we have skip the first longest word. So for that find first is a method, and or else. So now simply we will print this word. We will store this into the one variable, which we will use string second largest. Second largest. And simply what we will do, we will print this second largest. So second largest word, second largest. So just run this and we will see the output of this program. Sorry, here we need to add the semicolon to or else statement. Let's rerun this again. So as expected, it has given the error message. So there is another approach for this also. You can do with the for loop as so. For loop, if interviewer asks you, so you need to look through the words, then you need to compare the first line, then store it into the second or first word equal to second, and like we do in the swapping. So like that we can do that. But here we are doing this with Java at stream app. So we got the second largest word here, which is language from the given string. That's all from this video, guys. I hope you understand this problem. If you like the content of the videos, please do like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.